How to use Viber stickers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to spice up your Viber chat using stickers, whether you are sending a quick lol or making your own custom set. It's super simple, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First, open your Viber app on your device. Once you're inside the Viber, tap open any Viber chat. Now in the chat screen, you'll see that little smiley face next to your text box. Tap on it. That opens your sticker collection. Now just tap any stickers to send it instantly. You can choose emojis or choose your stickers. It's easy, right? And that's it. Viber stickers are fun, free, and totally personal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.